Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing how to delete contacts on your Telegram account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete the contacts on your Telegram account, first you'll be required to open the Telegram app, and let's go. And after opening your Telegram app, the interface will be similar to this, where you can see the three-lined icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap over there, and over here you can see the contacts option available over here just below the new group. Tap on contacts, and you can see all these contacts available on your Telegram accounts contact list. And to delete a contact, simply tap and open the contact whom you want to delete, and after that this kind of chat box will open. Again, tap on your name on the top of the screen like this, and this kind of interface will open, where as you can see the three dotted icon on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that three dotted icon like this, and after that you can see the delete contact option available over here just below the contact. Tap on delete contact to delete that contact from your contact list on Telegram, and your contact will be also deleted from their contact list on Telegram. And guys, this is how you remove or delete contacts on Telegram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.